video proposal for Chipat Wipatli, a unique food and drink combo that we're excited to share with you for Entrepreneurship Day. First, we'll show you how to make our delicious chicken pastil, a tasty, easy-to-prepare meal wrapped in banana leaves. After that, we'll introduce you to our magical drink that perfectly complements the pastil. Together, they make a great combo that's sure to stand out. Let's get started.
The ingredients are chicken breast, black pepper, salt, ginger, bay leaves, onion, garlic, oil, vinegar, soy sauce, chili, and sugar.
Won't you treat me right and be with me tonight? Just give me true love and understanding. True love and understanding for the rest of my days. Well, you won't have to worry. Life's a problem in my hands. But if you really, really love me, in my heart you'll be a big man. Hey lover, won't you treat me right and be with me tonight? Just give me true love and understanding. True love and understanding. Hey, 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 lover, you don't have to be a star. Hey, 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 lover, I love you just the way you are. For love is just the same in a fortune of fame. Just give me true love and understanding. True love and understanding. Hey, 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 lover, you don't have to be a king. Hey, 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 lover, you don't have to have a thing. For I'll be satisfied now as you are my guide. Just give me true love and understanding. True love and understanding for the rest of my days. Well, you won't have to worry. Life's a problem in my hands. But if you really, really love me, in my heart you'll be a big man. Hey, lover, won't you treat me right and be with me tonight? Just give me true love and understanding. True love and understanding for the rest of my days. Well, you won't have to worry. Life's a problem in my hands. But if you really, really love me, in my heart you'll be a big man. Hey, lover, won't you treat me right and be with me tonight? Just give me true love and understanding. True love and understanding. Hey, 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 lover, you don't have to be a star. Hey, 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 lover, I love you just the way you are. For love is just the same in a fortune of fame.
So yun, next naman na gagawin natin ay ang chipatli drink. Ang kinakailangan lang dito ay ang magic drink at ang mustard lemon at ang water. Tapos yung iba na natin kailangang equipments nandun naman sa kusina na nakaprepare. Ipapakita ko sa inyo. Mga kailangan natin itong kaserola, paglalagyan ng mainit na gulaman at yung sandok na panghalo. Lagyan na natin ng mineral water yung kaserola. Sasabihin na lang natin. Nakasa dun sa isang nilagyan. Ganyan. Tapos pukulan tayo dito at isasalang na. Ano yan? So, hindi ko lang sagutin guys. At, oops na. Hintayin lang natin. So, yan. Habang pinapakulo to, magtimpla na tayo dito sa isang baso. Wait lang, bawasan natin ng konti. Dahil isang ano lang naman yung gagamitin natin, kalahati lang ng pakete yung ilalagay natin. Sabi natin. Hindi natin ma-resolve yung nilagyan natin ulam. Laging tandaan na dapat laging malinis ang kamay bago gumawa ng mga ganito. So, yan. Kung makita nyo, kumukulo na siya, pwede na natin isa lang itong ating tinibla. Ng dahan-dahan para hindi hintayin lang natin ma-dissolve pa yung gulaman, tapos pakuluin pa natin ng maigi. So yan, haluin natin. Haluin natin ng maigi. Tapos lalagyan natin siya ng asukal. So, lagyan natin siya ng 4 teaspoon ng asukal. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yan. Tapos, haluin na lang natin ng maigi. Be patient sa paghalo dahil talagang ganito ang mulot ng gulaman. So yan, patayin na natin yung gas. Kumuha tayo nito. At dahan-dahan ibuhos sa hulmahan. Make sure na nalinis ng mabuti yung ating hulmahan bago ilagay itong gulaman. Yan. So, hintayin lang natin siyang tumigas. Siguro mga 10 to 20 minutes, okay na yan. So, dahil wala pang available na plastic cup sa amin ngayon, ito muna yung gagamitin ko paglalagyan ng magic drink at para rin presentable siyang tingnan. Tapos, hindi ito kasama sa final product namin dahil ilalagay lang po siya sa isang plastic cup. So, may honey po dito, tapos sugar. Para lang po i-coat yung lid nito at maging presentable pong tignan. Ito po yung pinapatigas sa ating gulaman. Lapit na po siyang tumigas. para mas mabilis pa talaga ng sobrang bilis ang pagpapatigas nito, ilalagay natin siya sa ating ref. Pwede pa open ng ref. Dahan-dahan guys. Pwede pa open po ng ref. Sorry po sa makalat na ref at tanggalin natin sa tube.
But if you really, really love me, in my heart you'll be all.
Dahan-dahan po natin siya ilalagay. Nagatin pala itong tinapay guys. Ang ating whipped bread. Ngayon sa taas. So, bale, kumuha pa tayo ng isang hulmahan para pantakip dito sa taas para sagrado talaga siya. Walang makakapasok na kahit elemento. Yan. Tapos yun. So yan, alas 12 na ng umaga. At tumigas na ang ating gelatin. Pwede natin siyang hiwain into cubes. So, right back. At yun. Kung makikita ninyo, nahati na siya into cubes. Kukuha naman tayo ngayon ng maliit na kutsara para pang-transfer natin dito mamaya sa ating baso. So, itong baso, ididip natin siya sa honey. Itong lid niya, ididip sa honey. Tapos, ididip siya sa sugar. Yan. So, yan. Tapos, maglalagay tayo dito ng gulaman. So, yan. Magtitimpla naman tayo ng ating magic drink sa isang baso para ilagay doon. Pero, if sa totoong talaga, sa picture kami magtitimpla. At maglagay lang ang tamang amount. So, yan. Nalagyan natin siya ng tubig at ating hahaluin. Make sure na may yellow tayo para ilalagay dito. So, ng yellow.
But if you really, really love me,
Tapos, saka natin i-transfer itong hinalo dito.
The importance of our product is to provide sustainable food to satisfy customer and create a affordable to distribution of food. We can bring warmth and richness to this. We can also embrace culture while enjoying the food, creating memorable